I always say what I'm feeling. I was born without a zip on my mouth.
Happy Diwali! Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
This is Meghna.
I'm Anaga and this is Megan Cheese.
So I hope you're having a pollution-free Diwali this time.
Save the environment.
This time we're planning to do a product review, lipstick review.
On brown and nude hues,
Yeah,
let's
get
get
started.
into
Oh,
it.
wait a second. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.
Now let's get into it. It's the Attitude Matte Lipstick from Amway in Brownie Delight and it retails for rupees 350. It's actually very nice. It's creamy and it is not matte as they acclaim it to be, but it is nice because I love the shade, I love the color and I love how it complements my skin tone. So it is on the darker side, it is a brown shade which can also be used as a nude if you apply it once, but if you keep building it, it has a beautiful brown and it is completely transferable, so it is not kiss proof. As it has a very creamy texture, it moisturizes the lip.
Coming to next one, this is from Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade of Mauve Party. This retails for 295 rupees only and it is completely matte and it dries very quickly. It moisturizes your lip. It has a bold color. The only disadvantage I found in this product was that applicator does not catch onto the product very well. This product is completely kiss proof and it's very easy to apply. This is my go-to nude lipstick.
We have the Nykaa Matte Lipstick, which is in the shade Hot Cocoa. So like Attitude, this is also on the darker side, which I am a huge fan of, but the packaging is very fat and wide. Also like Huda Bullets, which I'm not, I don't know, I'm not very fond of. But it smells amazing and it definitely moisturizes this lip because it is so velvety and easy to apply, but again because it's so velvety it does not stay for long. It is very easily transferable. Nykaa as a product has a lot of good and affordable product range, especially the lipsticks. They have liquid, matte, velvety and everything. They also have these mini lipstick range which costs I think up to 200 bucks. So if you are looking for something to use on a daily basis, Nykaa is a brand to go for.
The next one is from Maybelline Sensational Matte Lipstick. So this is in the shade of Nude Nuisance. This retails for 299 rupees only. This feels like a balm, very buttery texture on the lips. It obviously moisturizes. It is easy to apply and remove as well. It is not long lasting and definitely not kiss proof. It is a perfect nude for my skin tone. Just like Nykaa, this product line has size options. At last, it's a good product to buy.
Next up, we have Lakme 9to5 lipsticks, matte lipsticks, or so they say. It's in the shade Blushing Nude, which is on the pinker side, which I love. It's very easy to apply and it has a very moisturizing effect on the lip and it is very light on the lip, so you don't even feel like you're wearing it. And it has a pink shade to it, which is what I like in this particular lipstick. It has the typical Lakme metal casing, which is also very cute, and like it claims, Lakme 9to5, it is perfect for the office use, but it will definitely stain your coffee mugs, or should I say masks now. It smells very nice and it retails for rupees 500, which is on the affordable range. So because I love it so much, I love the shade so much, I would definitely suggest it.
So the next one is from Nykaa Metallicious Lip Crayon. This crayon lipstick retails for 699 rupees. This is my favorite lip shade and it is in the shade of Jade Rose. It dries quick and is very long lasting. Spreads on the lips easily, unlike a lot of crayon lipsticks which are actually difficult to apply. Even though I like the packaging, you should be really careful while you close this lipstick because it can just transfer to the cap. You have to always carry a sharpener since you never know when you're gonna run out of the product. This is my go-to lip shade. It gives that warmth shade to your lips.
Next up, we have the NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lipstick in the shade La La Land. It is also on the browner side. That goes with my skin tone very nicely. I personally love this color. I got it on an offer on Nykaa, but it retails for $750 and it is very good for regular usage. Although it is very buttery and easy to apply, it becomes grainy after a while on the lip. It definitely moisturizes the lip and hence it does transfer. It is long lasting, but it can transfer, so choose wisely. It has a cute heart in between, so definitely gets points for packaging from my side. There are offers happening on all online platforms because of Diwali, so make sure you do check it out.
Moving on to the next one, this is from Nykaa. It is called Wonder Puff Cushion Lipsticks. In the shade Burst the Bubbles. So this retails for 899 rupees. I feel this is light on my skin tone and I would use it to give that ombre effect on another darker shade lipsticks like pink or red. It looks amazing if you give that ombre effect. Look like a marker and you have to click from behind for the product to come out. This has a sponge applicator. It takes long time to dry, but on another side it is a perfect nude color, non-transferable and long lasting. So this is a good product to buy.
Next up, we have the Inglot Matte Lipsticks in the shade 184. They have only numbers and no names, which is very weird. And this is a metallic lipstick, which is also in a brown shade. This particular lipstick has a metallic finish which adds a bling and which is perfect for the festive season. They claim to have natural extracts to moisturize the lip, which I have to agree to because it feels very soft and my lip feels nourished. The smell is amazing and it is a cute, perfectly black metal case which I've come to love. Inglot as a brand is an international brand which is on the higher range, and this particular lipstick retails up to 1500 rupees. It is long lasting but it is not matte, so it transfers. This is the only metallic lipstick in my collection, so I love it and I would definitely recommend this product if you can afford it.
The next one is from Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. This is in the shade of Trendsetter and it retails for 1825, and of course it's a luxurious product, but the quantity is sufficient to add on. This lipstick is long lasting and of course kiss proof. It is very comfortable on lips and it is super pigmented. This lipstick dries very quickly and looks natural on my skin tone. Huda also have size options. They even have mini size in this. I suggest this product only if you can afford it.